So I'd like to go back about 30 odd years when the internet was very, very young and unbelievably had only a few thousand computers connected to it. Some folk in the research area dreamed of a time when the internet would be everywhere. At the time, we'd invented this protocol that some thought was extravagant. It could address 4 billion computers. Computers were the size of a warehouse. It seemed insane that we'd ever get there. But some thought we might. So back in the early 90s, we were starting to think, what happens if we do actually grow bigger than the networking protocols, the underlying structure of the way we communicate would allow? So we started planning around, let's build a different protocol that is phenomenally big. And interestingly enough, we did so. We built a new version of this protocol. We were happy. We thought we had plan B. And then we started to build the real internet. And we were using that original 32 bits of protocol. Laptop computers came, personal computers, desktops. All of the panoply came around. And not only was it the Western world, it was everywhere had it. And then last and not least, along came mobile telephones that all of a sudden turned into IP devices. And suddenly, we've used up 4 billion addresses one way and another. And now we're starting to go, what was that plan B again? What are we going to do now? And that's sort of where we find the internet right now. We've run out of new IP addresses in the Asia-Pacific area. That happened in April of 2011. In September 2012, all of Europe and the Middle East have also reached that same situation. We cannot continue to fuel the internet's growth with new addresses. It's like saying we can make all these telephone handsets, but not all of them are going to get a unique telephone number.